Hi guys! Welcome to another unboxing, and this time it's a webcam. This is the Logitech Brio 4K Pro Webcam, and bago tayo mag-umpisa, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Abby Clutario po, and if you're interested, you can watch the last unboxing that I made. You can click on this link over here. So I hope you guys can check that out. So since my setup is usually for recording and videos, it really calls for a good impression. And to make a good impression, you need a good sound. And of course, you need good quality video. That's why I decided to upgrade. So not only will this be for my recording and my other videos, but also, as I've said sa mga dati kong announcements, I will be offering online tutorials very soon, some music theory, sa piano, sa voice, and even sa Chapman stick. Yan. So, I decided to upgrade my stuff na rin. So, if you've seen most of my videos, yung setup ko, usually I use different kinds of cameras. So, right now, I'm using my cell phone. Okay? It's really easy to set up. Isa selfie mode ko lang siya. I'll push the record button and that's it. The only problem is pag may tumawag. Siyempre, ibig sabihin nun, sometimes I use it for other purposes. Diba? So, yun lang yung medyo problem ko. I also have my webcam, but it's not so reliable. Hindi maganda yung quality niya. So, sometimes I switch also with the DSLR camera. Now, that's a very good quality camera. Yun nga lang, syempre medyo mas hassle siya yung setup. You still have to connect it to the laptop and so on and so forth. Kaya medyo mahirap din siyang gamitin. So that's why I decided to invest on this webcam. Now, why Logitech Brio? Well, ang ginawa ko na lang, syempre sinearch ko with the help of Mr. Google. So I search best webcam. Isa siya talaga sa mga top results na lumalabas. So, ayun. So, that's why research more, found good reviews on it sa YouTube. So, yan. That's why Logitech. Okay, so obviously, I bought this online from an online seller. Cashless transaction, ibig sabihin hindi kaliwaan ng bayad. Maganda rin siya kasi syempre safe. Safety first, diba? Stay at home. Kung pwedeng hindi lumabas, wag na lumabas. But of course, the risk of that, syempre dapat maganda legit ang seller. So, kung dati pwede tayo magpunta ng mall at tingnan yung unit, examinin siya kung gumagana. Now, you really have to rely on legit sellers, no? It's really good to research also dun sa mga pagbibilhan ninyo. That's a small advice for you who are planning to buy online. Okay? Go for legit sellers. Okay, so let's unbox. I have the box. I have my trusted yellow cutter here. Alright, first I'll just examine outside of the box before we open it. Yan, so actually pretty much nandito na lahat. It tells the warranty at the back. Yung supported niya na software. Okay, of course it runs on Windows. Also runs on Mac, Skype compatible. There you go. Okay, it tells you also what's in the box, okay? Let me read it briefly. The camera, USB cable, privacy, shade, carrying pouch, documentation. Cool. Alright. Medyo excited na ako, so let's get on with it. Let's unbox. Okay. Pag nakakakita ako ng ganitong sticker, yun no, yung may bilog, natotorn ako kung ipipeel off ko ba siya o ika-cutter ko. Sige. Let's slice it. Okay, here we go. One, two, okay, here is the unit. Can you see it? There you go. Okay. It has a sticker on the top that says to download camera settings, just visit their website. Alright, here we go. Okay, so here is the unit itself. I can see here the main lens sa gitna. Okay. Tapos, I can see also the sensors. Ba't ko alam na sensors yon? Kasi may kodigo ako. Okay, so I'll just read it para, di ba, mas informative. Okay, well, the features are basically yan. Kaya nga siya Brio 4K Pro Webcam. It's 4K HD. I think this is the highest resolution there is so far in the market today for cameras and webcams. And what I like about this is, ayan, meron siyang mga sensors. Meron siya ng HDR feature that supports any lighting environment. So, pwede siya sa low light. And pwede rin siya kahit backlight, bright sunshine. Ayun. So, the sensors here are infrared and optical sensors. There. Okay. And ang sabi dito, sa aking kodigo, meron din siyang facial recognition when you use it with Windows Hello. And also, I can see two slits over here. These are the built-in mics too. So, tamang-tama siya sa aking setup. Okay? Kasi ang sabi nito, halos plug and play talaga. So, if I put it on the laptop or put it in a camera stand, yun na yun. Ang ganda na siya. Okay? And of course, it's USB 3. And sa likod, yan, it's USB-C. So, if I flip this, ayan. So, ito yung kanyang pinaka... Okay, let's open it. Yun, may plastic pala siya. There. I think this is the clip. Yan. Pag kinabit ko na to, kutsa ko na lang tatanggalin yung plastic. Meron pa siyang plastic film here for protection. Okay, there you go. Okay, what else is in the box? Gently now. Okay, so here you have something else. Right. Okay. USB cable. This is the protection shield. And this is the pouch. Tama-tama for on-the-go setup. And some instructions. Okay, pretty much very, very easy setup. Instructions. And of course, safety, compliance, and warranty information. Those leaflets. Okay, so there it is. The Logitech Brio 4K Pro Webcam. I can't wait to use this on my next video. So thank you for watching this video. I am Abby Lotario. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and give this video a thumbs up. And to get you notified right away, please click on that bell. Yan, okay? Para ma-update kayo agad sa aking mga bagong videos. Thank you for watching. Thanks. Bye! Once again, I am Abby Lotario. Ano? Parang mali. One more time. Cut! Cashless. Ang ingay. Let's just wait for a while. On that bell. Nakakainis tong truck na to.